friends, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my really ashy hands. This video, it's out of nowhere. I just got my Simply Gilded box. I want to use everything, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. So maybe I should tell you guys before I start. This month's name is Painted Garden and it's really pretty. This is your season to bloom, and this is, I'm guessing, the spring box because it's already spring. And I'm very excited for this box because oh my goodness, I love it. We all got this, what's this called? B6. All right, so here, as per usual, it's the card and it says everything that we're getting. So we're getting foiled, journaling card, and you can read. All right, so let's start with the B6 Traveler's Notebook, which is really pretty. And in the back it says, let your ideas take flight. Very pretty. I love it, and I feel like I can just on my silhouette put my name in here. That would be really cute. And okay, the next thing is the foiled acetate and vellum. So this month we're getting acetate and vellum, which I really like because I can set up the B6, especially now that I have a lot of things to do. How are you guys doing with this whole quarantine thing? I'm trying to keep sane, but look at this. Very pretty. It has peacocks. It has beautiful flowers and butterflies. I love it. Very spring, and I love that it has some gold foil bows. Super cute. And here's the acetate. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And one thing I really loved is that you have both colors. I am a silver girl and I love the silver. Love the silver. All right, so the next thing is the foiled journaling card. So here it is. All the flowers of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love. You can also do this if you don't really like the front and just glue it together and put it in the B6. All right, the next thing are the stickers, which I'm always really excited for. Let me open them up. All right, so here are the main sticker sheets. Really pretty. So we have a whole kit, and let me tell you, you can use it for more than one spread if you do white space planning. I'm sorry you guys, I just moved the camera. I'm standing up. I really have to make sure that everything is okay with the filming. But here are the seals. Super cute. I feel like I don't want to use them. I have from like 2 months that I haven't used them at all. And here are her tiny gold foil stickers that she's giving now. And these say work, home, play, which I really love. And here it's the other smaller stickers. If you ask me, this is a lot. These are a lot of stickers for the price. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna show you is the planner. And right off the bat, this one itty bitty thing I don't like, but it's all right. Alright, so it's a B6 planner, which I've never had before, and it has the bow from Simply Gilded in the back. I don't know, in the spine. I don't know. I'm not a TN user. And the inside, I love it. It's pink, which is very adorable. It has pockets in the front and on the back, and it has a pen loop. The only thing I don't like is the blue elastic, but she did mention that the other elastics that they had, the gold ones, they were making the B6 getting a little stain, so I don't have the stain, and I'm pretty sure I can figure out how to change the elastic, so it's not a big deal, and I'm really excited to set this baby up. I'm sorry you guys, I don't have the microphone or anything, and if you can hear the AC, my bad. But I really love how this matches like spring colors, so I actually really like that. So this is the B6, very cute. Alrighty, the next thing is this cute let me just refer to the paper, to the to this, so I say it right. I don't see the pouch. Well, this is like a pouch that I cannot see right now. Rounded tassel. Okay, rounded tassel pouch. So in here we have a little tassel. If you want, you can take it out, put it on your keychain, put it on your planners, do whatever you want with it. Really pretty. I'm gonna put it back in here. All right, if my nails let me. All right, let's save that for later. All right, so this is very pretty. I love how it has the same print as everything else. Very pretty. And in here, as per usual, we get the washi tape and the pens. All right, so I'm gonna open all these up and show you. But before that, I'm gonna show you the pens. So the pens that we got for this month, well, I don't know if everybody got different colors, but I know everyone got this one, which is beautiful. And you guys, I love it, because right now this is my collection. This is my collection of jelly rolls and like pretty pens. So far I have, most of them are pink, and now we actually got this one, it's like a Tiffany bluish aqua, I don't know, I just love it. And I have this color jelly roll, which I did not have before. I really love it. All right, you guys, so these are the washi, super pretty. So we have this floral one, we have this one with the same print and the peacocks, and it has some tiny bows. I don't know if you can see them. We have two of the regular bow ones that are always included, and we have these two, super cute. Oh my god, I am in love. I love, and there's so many for the price. Now this is the part where if you are expecting your box to arrive soon, don't watch it. Spoiler alert, I'm showing the mystery item. So if you haven't seen what you have in your box, don't see right now, okay? Bye. All right, so this is the mystery item. She always includes a mystery item in her box, all her boxes. So we have some washi cards for this month. Oh my god, this is a number one, super cute. And we have, oh my god, this is, I don't know if you can see it, but oh my god, it's so pretty. It has a peacock there, see? And it's so cute. We have the same print that we have all throughout the whole box. And we have this one, which is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And we have this beautiful butterfly one with some gold dots. And oh my god, I really love it. So you guys, this box from Simply Gilded does not cease to amaze me, because every month it just keeps getting better and better. I'm gonna put a link to her website. I'm not affiliated with her whatsoever. I am not a PR, I'm not anything. I just really like her box, and I will always share things that I feel good about, things that I actually use and I actually like. And I feel like I don't get any more boxes, because there were a lot of things that I did not want or I had a lot of, but these are very pretty. So look, you get all of this plus acetate plus a B6 planner plus some stickers and all of this. Oh wait, the pens for around $29, $30. if you ask me, only the stickers will be a good $20. So this is a great deal. If you want to subscribe, I'm gonna have a link to her subscription box website, so you can go ahead and join. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're all being safe. Please don't judge me because I know my hands are really ashy, but I cannot find any lotion right now. All right, thank you for watching. I will be doing more videos since I don't have anything else to do. I hope you're all safe. Don't get out of the house if you don't have to. Stay home, stay safe, and I will talk to you soon on my next video. Bye.